Hello friends, myself Om and you're watching Technical Om.
Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 10. The specifications are Snapdragon 750G. This processor is not launched but it will launch in the month of October. 48 megapixel camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 33 watt fast charging, 6.57 inch Full HD Plus display, 4520 mAh battery, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. This will be a 5G phone. This is the look of Redmi Note 10 from the front side. This is the look of Redmi Note 10 from the back side. This is the same design of Poco C3. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi Note 10 should be below 20,000.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.